Kuringana na muikariri giti wa gikundi giki kiria kioikaine ta Spice of Life and Learning Kenya Break Zaina, irathi thibitari hamwe na nyumba ino ya kuiga mabuku irongoreire guteithia makiria ma ciana 30 kuma icagi-ini cia Kwaroda hamwe na Kaptebwa, icagi iria ikoragwo na namba nene ya family iria itehotete. Akiaria hindi ya kuheana mwaka uyu, Zainar augite ona thengia wa uguo no mahotete kuoya ciana makiria ma 30 iria ciumite micii-ini iria mihinyiririku na gukorwo makimarugamirira mathomo mao mothe, ndeto iria aroiga imatitie ndugu gatagati-ini kao na andu angi a wendi mwega aria makoretwo na wendi wa kwarahura miturire ya ciana ici.
It's an organization that has built a community of Kenyans together with the community of Germans, Americans, Europeans, people actually from all over the world who are working to help make this happen here in Nakuru.
Kuma mubango uyu wa mbia ciana makiri ma 500 ni irikitie guteithikana ningi makagunika na mubango ungi wa uteithio wa irio riri na waciari ao makoretwo magiteithiririo na kigina gia kwihura njeki. Zainar akihoya Kenya kugia na ngoro ya utana na metikire guteithiriria andu na makiri ciana kuma micii-ini iria itehotete.
Still have 6 workshops that need to be built, and we need help. We need help from the entire community, and we need help from the Kenyan.
Murutani munene Thukuru-ini uyu wa Alfred Wanaro ni atugiritie ikinya riri akiuga gutigukura na muhatikano wa arutwo na ningi mutaratara wa CBC ni murore na njira nene.
Children come from very humble background. They come from very vulnerable families. And for them, this is just an opportunity like no other. So this is a chance they have gotten, and for sure it will help them, it will facilitate learning. We shall be able to nurture the skills and the competences as required of the new curriculum.
Guteithio wa irio no undu ungi utugiritio na njira nene. Cibu wa itura riri Joseph Oyawa agicakaya namba nene ya arutwo aria maratiga thukuru kumana na moritũ matiganite mwena ucio.
Na tunashukuru sana shule la LLK kwa sababu ya kuleta masomo karibu na wananchi wa eneo hili la Parkview, na tunashukuru sana hata wahisani ambao wanajitoa kutoka nchi za mbali.
Betty Chepkemoi umwe wa ciari thukuru-ini uyu aroiga mubango uyu ni umahaturite hanene.
Imetusaidia sana, atulipe school fees. Imesaidia kijiji sana. Mimi naishi Baruta hapa. Watoto wetu wanapata chakula, mavazi, kila kitu, wanasoma vizuri.
Haduini ya Kameme TV ni Jetawo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.